Welcome to Mathenatic. We are busy revising content for paper 1, and in this video we answer the following question. We are given that 3, x, and 27 are the first three terms of an arithmetic sequence. Determine the value of x. So what we know about an arithmetic sequence is it is the same as saying a linear number pattern, and also an arithmetic sequence has a constant difference between terms. So that means that term 2 minus term 1 would be equal to term 3 minus term 2. So if I take the difference between these terms, then I'll have a constant value. So if we say term 2 minus term 1, we have x minus 3. And that is equals to term 3 minus term 2. So we have term 3 as 27, and we subtract x from that. And can you see I make these two expressions equal to each other because it represents a constant difference between terms. So if I move negative x to the left-hand side, it becomes positive. Therefore, we have 2x on the left-hand side. And if I move the negative 3 to the right-hand side, it becomes positive on that side, and therefore we have 30 on the right-hand side. So if I divide both sides by 2, I have x is equal to 15. Thank you for watching. Support us by liking and subscribing to Mathenatic. Check out our Digistore for math study notes, with free downloads for statistics and financial math. Follow the link in the video description.